Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Random Facts by Shikhaa. In today's video we will know 10 best resorts in Jim Corbett National Park. Before starting the video, would request you to please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. The Darien Resort Hotel is situated in Ramnagar. This resort has lots of birds around it and has a breathtaking sight. Cost of one night and 2 days for 2 people is close to 5,000 rupees. Corbett View Resort is the best luxury resort in Jim Corbett National Park in Ramnagar. It is situated in Leela. Cost of one night and 2 days for 2 people is close to 3,000 rupees. Acorn Hideaway Resort is a luxurious hotel, Hideaway and beach resort situated on Leela Road in Jim Corbett, Ramnagar. Cost of one night and 2 days for 2 people is close to 5,000 rupees. Jungle Leela Resort is a 3-star hotel in Corbett. This resort is 10 km from Ramnagar train station and 5 km from Girija Devi Temple. Cost of one night and 2 days for 2 people is close to 5,000 rupees. Cloyster Resort and Spa is situated in the lush green jungles of Jim Corbett, located in Kiari Camp. Cost of one night and 2 days for 2 people is close to 10,000 rupees. Clarissa Resort is a luxury boutique resort situated in Jim Corbett National Park. Cost of one night and 2 days for 2 people is close to 4,000 rupees. V Resorts lies between Ramnagar, Corbett and Kotdwar. It is amongst one of the best resort in Corbett. Cost of one night and 2 days for 2 people is close to 4,000 rupees. Sterling Corbett is one of India's most beautiful wildlife reserves and a heaven for adventure seekers and wildlife lovers. Cost of one night and 2 days for 2 people is close to 4,000 rupees. Lebua Corbett is spread over 9 acres and it has 44 designed villas, suites and residences equipped with all modern conveniences. Cost of one night for 2 days for 2 people is close to 10,000 rupees. LaTigre Resort is spread over 9 acres and built in accordance with green guidelines. The resort is located 7 km from Durga Devi Gate of Jim Corbett National Park. Cost of one night for 2 days for 2 people is close to 7,000 rupees. If you like the video, then please don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel.